That's what junkies do.
Oh, look at him trying to cover his mess up. Look at that. Look at him trying to cover that screw up. My little baby. Audio. Worldwide radio cut off. Worldwide radio cut off.
Okay. There's no comp out here. And it's just a baby little driver with a little baby Dave made 2 pill, man.
That's it. I gotta go to a Ranger.
Crush. You gotta go to Ranger. You better go to what you got right now. They made him on you, junkie.
Background singer.
Crush, you don't hear Pedro. No tip for you. When you come here, Pedro, I'm not gonna give you 50-cent tip, man.
You taking him out, Richie.
No tip for you, man. No 50 cents for you, man.
Well, you know what I'm gonna do with him, right? For the next video game, well, actually, it sounds like he's almost done. So for the next video, I'm gonna put in my Ranger. I'm gonna put in a Ranger. Not the Danger Ranger.
I gotta go to my other radio, my high-power radio. That's when you know I got his mic. You see, I was toying with these things.
Who are you talking to, radio? I wanna know who you're talking to.
Equal. Make them think,
I wanna know what
don't understand.
I think he's talking to you, Richie.
That love whether he's
Pedro Herrera, where's my pizza?
No.
You're supposed to deliver my pizza, man. I'm hungry. Pedro, where's my pizza?
I hear him when you're not on the mic, Richie. Real good job.
Give me because I got both your ears. That's why I got your key.
Hey, what idiot. Yo, I think he's talking to you now, dude. I think he's talking to you now.
He just woke up at 5:30, you crackhead.
Look at that boy, look at him. Look at him, revved up, all ready to go, man. Well, he must have been smoking a lot of K2, man. Look at him, he's high gear. I feel like that whole I can't move right to.
Not even fun, man. I got someone in Jersey. I'm listening. Jersey. I got a station out Long Island. And all 3 of them, I'm crushing 2 of those junkies, man, without even competition. Not even a bug. I got 3 video at 3 different locations. Located at when I key up. Wow, that's pure destruction. Gotta love it.
All I hear is Crush. He keeps talking, but I hear Crush.
Picking up on one another. Anyway, some job. I'll be back. Let's talk. The only time to get while I'm not on the key. They call me a fortune. Somewhere around the lower deck. Baby Galaxy DX44 stock. Just got down.
All I hear is Crush. Audio Drive. I got down. Damn it, boy.
Come on, Tiger. Get up there.
Hey, Richie, you taking out his 2 pill, man. How you do it? The gate is rolling. Hey, Enforcer, I think you need more than a 2 pill, man. Richie's taking you out still. Where'd they go? Is my radio working?
Yes.
I thought this thing wasn't working, man.
Man, he all skied up. Listen to him, man. He in high gear, man. That's what K2 does, dude. It's like that speed shit.
Well, you take him out, dude. I don't know what you're doing, but you're taking out his 2 pill.
said 3 pill.
He said 3 pill, 2877s.
Yeah, that's the second time under pressure in a mad argument he slipped with that and then tried to cover it up. Let me switch up these radios right quick.
Just like when he says of Stonewall Jackson doing 5 watts. When he's dead keen above 40, swinging $170. All you guys gotta do, man, go to his videos, pay attention, look at the right side meter. RF power and SWR. Look at the right side meter. He doesn't want to show you the whole meter because you're going to see that meter swing all the way to the right. That radio is capable of swinging up to $170. That radio's got 2 SC 2290s in it. It's got 2 pills in it. That's Stonewall Jackson. Hey, where'd you go, you lowlife, lying junkie? Oh, is it me or he burned up something? Did he shut off his box because he burned it already? Hey, Enforcer, did you burn anything? How about a radio check? Break 19. Hey, is this radio working? Hey, good morning. I want to know where the Enforcer go. Where'd that lowlife go? Did he burn up something? Hey, 314, good morning. I'm doing good. How you doing?
Shut your fucking face, motherfucker.
Thank you. Thank you for that gate. Thank you. Hey, Enforcer, did you burn up something?
I told him. Audio crush. I was running a stop.
Audio crush.
2 pills right now. AKA Small Fry Junkie Flight 206. Tell him I'm at the party, baby. Audio. I said it's time to party. We're gonna crush it out.
Oh, damn it, boy. Now you wiping him out.
At 314, he's in Long Island City. He's in Queens. Hey, 314, talk to him, Richard. Tell him. Hey, 314. Good morning, 314. How you doing this morning? You here? Audio. Audio. 101, radio cut off. He's just another junkie honky. I'm gonna let these boys have some fun, man. I'm gonna stay on the side. I'm gonna stay on the side. Full strong competition. Right around Brooklyn. Hey, 101, 314. And the pill popping junkie over there in Newark. Let them know that I got their mic. Let them know. I got their mic in Queens and Brooklyn and Jersey. Oh my God. Direct live. All right?
I don't know. He might have a power mic. I don't know what mic he's got, Richie, but he might have a power mic. What do you think?
Another one up further north. I'm not going to mention the location. Oh, man. Who's the station I'm hearing up in Yonkers? I'm getting that live feedback. Oh, yeah, I'm taking them right out. Okay, good. Oh, yeah. Somebody swelling that boy's head up good. It's a 101 radio cut off. Good morning. Patience, north, west. Hey, yo, wait till they go over the key. Wait till 2 come on that key. Lord have mercy, look at that. They call me a 4-250, my little date, man. Hey, yo, 314, what you got over there?
I don't know, Richie. He probably got a power mic.
I got a power mic. That's all you got to know. See, now I'm running a 2-pill. Before you accuse me of running a I'm telling you, junkie.
Well, you're running a 2-pill, not enough. You're running a 2-pill, not enough. All I hear is crush. All I hear is crush. That 2 pill is not enough, son.
2879. Look at that, baby. 2 pills. Not 2. Yeah, actually it is 2, not 3, not 4. Just in case you're on mistake. Crush. So Rich gets out of the way. Crush.
That 2 pill not enough. All I hear is crush. Wow, well, that 2 pill is not enough. That 2 pill is not enough. Richie's still taking him out. That 2 pill not enough, Enforcer. Richie's still taking you out.
He couldn't. So you can say what you want. Take him. I was buzzing. Actually, not even buzzing. I was. So you can say what you want. Your own video. You can say what you want. Just actually come in equals with both of you, sir.
Well, I tell you the truth. Check out the gate. Check out the gate. Every time Richie keys up, he takes you out. So I don't know. That 2 pill is not enough, man. Not enough, Enforcer. Not enough. Every time 127 keys up, he cleans you out. Hey, Enforcer, you need more than a 2 pill, man. Hey, Richie, stop keying up on him. Stop taking out his 2 pill, man.
No competition, too easy.
You damn right, too easy. Check out the gate.
Whatever you got, 314, you're doing the job, man. Hey, 314, you sound good around the lower deck. You sound no problem whatsoever.
Hey, Enforcer, can you hear me? Enforcer, can you hear me? That 2 pill is not enough.
Yeah, no, that 2 pill's doing all right. That little boomer, that's what Richie used to use. Now he's using an RM from Italy.
All I hear is crush.
An RM, see how the RM from Italy works, which is a Oh yeah, and that's how that 2 pill from Italy works.
You gotta go. You said that's how that 2 pill work, and you gotta go. Hey, Richie, stop picking on the boy, man. Let him talk.
Going out there, you have yourself a super fine morning and a nice